Right, I'm not trying to scare this bird. All I'm trying to do is open that gate so it can either get in or get out, but the thing's so well camouflaged. I've got to watch out because it's pretty pissed off. I hear the chicks. Right, hang on. Oh shit, there they are. Running around down there, so that means Mum's not very far away. So I think I'll get the fuck out of here. Where is it? Shit. You see how close that gate over there, that's the problem. Because it came over and gave me a peck. Shh, don't vape shit. Fucking thing! Alright.